If you came to praise God, my Bible says, make a joyful noise unto the Lord.
It's Sunday morning at Friendship West Baptist Church in southwestern Dallas. Pastor Frederick Douglass Haynes is getting his 12,000-member congregation ready to worship and ready to vote.
When I say Freedom Sunday, I need you to clap like you are appreciative of the fact that you have the right to vote.
Several churches across Texas are headed from the pews to the polls and invoking the 1964 Freedom Summer campaign for a new Freedom Sunday to counter Texas's strict new voter ID law.
People in this community, from what you've been doing and people you've been talking to, they feel that these voter ID laws are targeting them?
Oh, without question. There's no question, because disproportionately black, brown, and poor people find themselves without the ID that the state now requires. Even college students, there's something wrong. Okay, my gun license is okay, but not my college identification.
Just weeks before the election, a lower court threw out Texas's voter ID rule, but the Supreme Court reinstated it while the case is on appeal. Dissenting to that ruling, Justice Ginsburg said the law was likely an unconstitutional poll tax, and it may prevent up to 600,000 registered Texans from voting. Bishop T.D. Jakes, who leads a congregation of 30,000 in Dallas, agrees.
The stats show that there were very few people who had violated the rights to vote through inappropriate, fraudulent behavior, and so it's a needless law.
Mimi Marziani runs a Democratic voter protection effort in the state, and she says her organizers field calls all day and are ready for the new law.
We have assembled and built this voter protection program. It is the largest, most coordinated in Texas's history to make sure that every eligible voter is going to be able to cast a ballot that counts.
Even with that help available, others say Texas has made voting too hard.
And I've gone twice to get the voter ID card. She comes back, we're out. You're going to have to wait till next week.
There's no way to determine how many others face similar problems, and Texas isn't counting. Congressman Joaquin Castro wants the feds to audit the impact.
How many people were turned away from the polls or discouraged from voting because of the new requirements?
Yet others, including Vincent Hall, a 56-year-old who voted Sunday in Dallas, say GOP efforts at voter suppression could have the opposite effect.
It's just something about being told you can't that makes you want to get out and do it. You know, it's just that rebel in you.